What's up guys, it's me Packy with the house, and today I have challenger Luke Rosdahl. The cool thing about Luke is he is ambidextrous. I'm gonna let him pick every single frame which hand we're gonna throw it with. I'm not ambidextrous, so he should have the leg up.
Theoretically.
Let's see how it goes. You can follow him on his YouTube. We'll pin his down below in the description.
Yeah, I'll go first.
Frame one.
We got this one that's coming out, shameless promo. New Belmo ball. So we'll start out the lefty thing, just make him feel like he has a chance.
Even with the lefty thing, I might not have a chance.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what's making it seem like I have a chance is, but that doesn't feel like it. My two-handed to your one-handed. Keeping it close.
We'll try it again. We'll do the keep riding the horse until it kicks me off. Man, making me look like I actually know how to do this.
It's like you've been practicing for the last couple of years.
Yeah, maybe.
I would say good news is so have I, but that only leads to me missing, I feel like. Oh.
We're not doing any favors for this whole the left side's walled thing.
Just switch hands and all of a sudden he started striking.
Yeah. No, it's the new Belmo ball. Fate.
I always like to say it's not you, it's the ball.
Yeah,
Bad. That looks pretty good. Oh,
there it is. There it is. God, and I have to shoot this too. Picking this up lefty. Oh man. I should have been honest on that one. But
well, at least maybe I'll have a chance to take a lead before he goes right. No lead.
Poor guy already has to bowl left-handed to begin with, and then...
Yeah, you're already good enough left-handed, and then you're going to switch on me? Oh.
That's got to hook a lot. You never have to worry about the ball hooking on the left side. I mean, if you can find something that actually, like, blends a little bit.
You're sticking with the lefty, I like it.
Yeah, we're gonna try here.
A familiar leave.
Yeah.
You don't want to shoot this one righty, are you sure?
I mean, I could.
So you're about to make the oh my God.
Yeah, let's do it.
Bless your soul. Back-to-back frames, you've used both hands.
Yeah.
Not in one shot, but in separate shots.
Embrace the wing.
I use both hands every shot, so.
Cheating.
I was gonna say, I don't know who's cheating more. I think it's me.
Yeah.
A small lead.
Pretty good.
Up by one.
One more chance and I'm calling Belmo. Oh. It doesn't work when you throw it out the window.
Oh, a strike shot. That's what you need. You need an arm sleeve that's just a full bird wing on it.
Yeah. New merch coming soon.
The wing.
Yeah,
the wing sleeve.
I gotta remember which hand to wipe the ball off with. Now I've got this.
Do you switch hands to wipe with as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another Belmo ball.
Oh! So you're saying I should wipe it off the other way? I can't even hold both my towels. No. I think the goal here is to just keep it on the lane.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Ooh.
Man.
I'm gonna tell you right now, this spare shot's about to be rough. Quick little break in the action. I'm chilling here in my basement with 31 bowling balls that I'm trying to give away to you guys December 1st. If we get to 90,000 subscribers, I'm giving away every single one of these in the month of December, one bowling ball per day. This is the pace we're on right now. Ding, 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 ding. A little behind pace, but we can definitely get there if you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so we can reach 90,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna give away one of these bowling balls every single day to a different person in the month of December. So don't be afraid, click that subscribe button, and let's get back to the video.
Oh man, that might not hang on.
Oh my God. I was gonna go straight
No.
at it, and then I got to my backswing, and I was like, definitely back up off.
I'm just gonna go chicken wing it here again. No, that's terrible.
See, here's the difference though. I just left that, and there was about a 10% chance of make.
Yeah, well, I'm also gonna cheat again, so.
Oh my God.
I had that all the way. There was never a doubt. No concern.
I'm concerned every time I let go of the ball right-handed. Wipe my ball off with the wrong hand again. Here we go.
Yeah. Get up.
All right, didn't lose any count there.
Yeah.
I think the ball change is gonna do me justice. I tried to open up my angles. I think that was too open.
Get up.
Agreed. Maybe the spare ball?
Yeah. Oh man, that's it. Oh yeah.
That was a big spare.
Yeah.
That was a big.
Called that right off your hand. Got the other side of the brain all fired up. I'm gonna try it two-handed myself, which looks about the same. Either hand that I do it with, it looks about
The two-handed looks about the same.
It looks about the same as you throwing it two-handed righty. So yeah.
So it's beautiful, is what you're saying.
Yeah, it's amazing.
That's way better than what I do.
And all, yeah.
Directionally, maybe
Also,
not.
Yeah. Well, if we put we could have put the bumpers up, I suppose. All right, well, I'm gonna try this one more time here and see if I can, okay, wrong hand. Try this one more time.
That's pretty good. Like, that's way better.
I feel like I'm disgracing Belmo.
At least, like, your physical game looks similar.
Yeah.
Mine is just, it's like. That's
not bad.
close.
That I don't. Oh yeah, see, it's so easy. The left is walled.
The right, yeah, I'm wearing. I should be wearing the left is walled shirt.
Yeah, you need to get a new shirt now. Cross, have it like an X over the left, and put right underneath of it.
I should have known that I probably was going to be throwing no messengers.
I'm going to try a two-handed lefty now. We're going to see that.
I'll try one-handed righty just for you next one.
Yeah. So we're gonna. I don't know. I am more practiced up left-handed at the moment, but. Oh yeah. No.
Oh.
All right. I'll try it one more time, but two hands, just one at a time. Okay. I'm gonna go real cheater ball.
This is an unsanctioned event, so
yeah. This is
clear with me.
Literally not going to go any better. So, yeah.
It's just a little right off your hand.
I'm looking at like the number 16 on that other lane.
Because you went two-handed lefty. I'll go one-handed
boy.
righty. I just grabbed a ball off the rack. Rhino Pearl.
Man.
If I threw this two-handed righty, I might have a chance to make. That would have struck. This hand is just a lost soul. It feels like the elbow's out here. It feels like It feels like some shots I backspin, and then I watch them, and they're just dead end over end.
That's what me one-handed righty feels like, or that's what it feels like and looks like. I can't do enough of that lefty, so I'm just gonna give up.
Chance to punch out for 159.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we can do that all day. We can.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
See how easy that is? I had to make it respectable anyway, before just going full cheat mode. I had to make it respectable anyway, before just going full cheat mode. It feels like I'm throwing it exactly like Bill O'Neill, but then I look at the tape and I'm like, oh my God.
It's just not pretty.
Oh.
Way too much. 176, 159, a good match.
Yeah.
A good match. Subscribe to Luke Rosdahl for all Storm product reviews, the newest comparisons, and the newest releases. So, self-promote anything?
No, I would say subscribe to you too, but I would imagine that if they're already here, they're probably subscribed. But when you look into some certain metrics, those of you that are watching that haven't
like
hit
these
the
ones
like
right
button,
here, wherever they are, wherever I put them.
Direction and yeah, hit this button right here to subscribe. And
all right, well, thanks for coming out. Appreciate it.
We're so good.
Thanks.
Good at clicking that.
Appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to watch more fun videos like this one, you can click the playlist right up here for more fun challenges with the house. Thanks for watching, and click that subscribe button to follow along for more videos like this.